It's the heart of summer and things are growing all over the garden. Harvesting your vegetables can be tricky, so I recommend checking your garden daily, first thing in the morning and late in the afternoon, as things can change very quickly. Let's talk about tomatoes. As you can see here, I have some Roma tomatoes. One is totally ready to be picked. The other is at the halfway mark. Now, if you suffer from issues with deer or other critters, you might want to go ahead and remove your tomatoes when they're at the 50-50 mark. This way you can save your fruit and you won't waste a lot of time growing vegetables for the other animals to eat. So what I'm going to do today is harvest this one that's already ready. And I just simply take my finger and I pluck it off, just like that. I don't have deer issues as my yard is fenced in, so I'm going to leave the sister tomato right there. Or you could pull it off the vine, put it in a windowsill, and it'll ripen just fine. And we'll take this one in the house for eating. Now, cucumbers. You want to pick your cucumbers when they're nice, deep, and green. You don't want to let them get too big or too yellow, or they'll be bitter and the seeds will begin to form. You don't want seeds in your salad. You want nice, fresh, crisp cucumbers. So when they're nice and deep green like this, it's the perfect time to pick them. Once you remove them from the vine, they will stop growing. So get them early. Try not to wait too late. Now, one of my favorite things to grow in the summer are watermelons and cantaloupes. This is a cantaloupe, not quite ready yet. What you want to look for are the tendrils. The closest tendril to the cantaloupe, once that turns brown and dies back, you'll know that cantaloupe is ready. So remember, check your garden every day, in the morning and in the evening. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it.